Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I have a huge Amazon fashion haul. There's a variety of a lot of things, so I think that you could definitely find something that you like. Hopefully you find something that you've been looking for, a hidden gem, I don't know, but I did get a variety of a lot of things. And I'm really excited, including this top. I'm absolutely loving this top. So gorgeous. I'm not gonna chatter on too much, guys, because you guys know me. I tend to talk. Anyways, we're gonna get right into it. But before we begin, if this is your first time watching, make sure you click that subscribe button right now. And also don't forget to click the notification bell so that way YouTube will notify you every time I post a new video. And I would also love if you could follow me on Instagram and LTK. I will leave all the links down below, along with all the links for all these clothing pieces. Don't worry, I will have everything linked down below. And one thing I do want to mention is that I don't remember the prices for these items because they don't have tags in them. So with Amazon, it's kind of hard to tell you like how much it is. But one thing I will say is that all the prices will be linked in the description box. And these are super affordable pieces. Do also have a discount code. And without further ado, let's get right into it because like I said, I have a lot to show you. Starting off with this gorgeous top. I would definitely say out of everything that I got, this is probably my favorite top ever. This is like a lavender satin cami style top. I can see myself wearing this a lot. I love the color. If you guys don't know, I've been really getting into this lavender color. I think it's absolutely gorgeous. So yeah, I really love this. Highly recommended. The quality is really good. The one thing I will say, when it does come in the mail, it does come a little bit wrinkled, so make sure that you kind of steam it. But other than that, it is gorgeous. And I like the fact that the straps are adjustable. So it's perfect because it will adjust to your size and how you want it, how low you want it. If you want it higher, it's perfect. I really love it. And in the back, I love the fact that it crisscrosses. So I think it's very romantic, very cute. You could definitely dress this up for a more going out type of top. Or you can definitely dress it more down. It's very versatile, so definitely I recommend this. I absolutely love it. And I also got a dress. I really love this lavender dress. They have these in multiple colors, but I think this is perfect for like just, you know, every day. You could wear with sneakers or with sandals, and it's very comfortable, very breathable, perfect for the summertime. Absolutely love it. It feels just like it's like cotton. It's really nice stretch, and I got in a medium. I could have definitely got this in a size small because it has like a lot of room. Definitely for a medium, it still worked out for me, and I just think this is really beautiful. And I like the way it is going down. It's very nice and flowy, and then the sleeve has like a really nice flowy look to it as well. So definitely recommend this. One of my other favorite pieces from this haul is this two-piece set. It has this really nice long style like linen material top. It's like a button up. You can wear it open with like a white shirt, or you can wear it just as a regular shirt to do a front tuck and wear it with the shorts. But this is really nice. I got it in a size medium, and this, I think it's called the color pink. So this is how it looks. Really beautiful. You guys know I love pink. Pink is one of my favorite colors. And then on the side right here, it has like this slit right here, and in the back it is a little bit longer than the front, which I do appreciate. And then this is how the shorts look. I feel like the shorts is the perfect length. I really love the fact that they added pockets. It has a drawstring. It is a working drawstring, so you can cinch in your waist. Really nice overall. I just love this. And then moving on to another cami style top. This one I got in a size medium. I've been wanting a nude color like cami top. This one is more loose or more big than this one. This is still kind of like loose as it goes down, but it's nice. It just looks really nice. This one is more like loose, but nevertheless it's still really pretty. Has adjustable strap, and I so appreciate the fact that they double lined it. So it is double lined. So I would definitely say, as long as you wear a nude bra, you're good. It won't be see-through, but make sure you wear a nude bra with this. And this is overall just really pretty. Very classy, very nice. You could dress it up, dress it down. It's a beautiful color. Very breezy, very nice quality. So yeah, definitely recommend this. And then I also got another two-piece set. I got this because I think this is perfect for like around the house. Honestly, that's how I'm gonna wear it, but you can definitely wear it for, you know, running errands. I got this tie-dye top. It looks like this, and I got it in a medium as well. It's like a really nice loose fitted style top. It's really nice, like shirt material. I just think this is really fun. And it also comes with the shorts. The only thing I will say is the shorts are kind of short, and that's the problem I have sometimes with shorts, is that they're too short. But overall, I still really love these, but they're just way too short. It does have this drawstring right here. It is a working drawstring. It also has pockets, which I really appreciate. Super cute, but like I said, kind of failed to me because this is like short, borderline short for me. And when it comes to lounge shorts, I like them to be a little longer, where I feel comfortable and I don't feel like my butt cheeks are hanging out, you know what I mean? And then moving on to this like duster cardigan. I got it in the color red. Like I said, this I got it in the size small. It's really nice and stretchy. As you can see, it like looks like it's bouncing back. And it's really beautiful red. I just wanted something like this for those evenings where it gets a little bit more chillier. I think this is perfect because it's very lightweight. I like the fact that it's so flowy, and on the sides it looks like this, where it gets more longer on the sides. Let me show you guys. I'm not doing it justice. So it looks like that on the sides. Very nice and comfortable, very stretchy and very soft. So yes, definitely recommend that one. And then I have like 3 jumpsuits. Actually, let me show you first this button up that I got, and then we're gonna move on to, not jumpsuits, I meant to say like a 2-piece jogger sets. You'll see what I mean. But first of all, I want to show you this quickly. It is this right here. This is a button-up top, and I got this in the size medium. It is very nice and oversized, super long as well. I do actually want to wear this as a throw over. This is more of a longer style, so I would definitely say if you want, you can wear this as a dress and belt it or not belt it. It's up to you. But I do like this one, and I love the color. Definitely screams fall time. You can cuff this up if you don't want it long sleeve. But yeah, I had to get this. This is really nice, very soft and really great quality, I have to say. So, and they do have that one in different colors. So the first set that I want to show you guys is this one right here. So I got this pink set. It's like a really beautiful bright pink. I got this in a size medium, and it has this half zip that zips all the way up. So it looks like this, and then it has this little mock neck right here. It's a velour style. It's very nice and soft, very comfortable. It does have a little bit of stretch, and it looks like this. And I just thought this was perfect for lounging around the house, or if you're gonna take a nice morning walk where it's more brisk and a little bit chilly. This is perfect for that. I absolutely love it. It feels so nice, feels so comfortable, very nice and like buttery. And here's the bottom. I really love the bottoms. They're so pretty. Look at that, very comfortable. They're like a jogger style, so it is cinched in at the bottom. Looks like this. And it does have pockets, right? Yeah, so it does have pockets. It has a elastic waistband, and it does have the drawstring where you can cinch it up if you want it to be really cinched in on your waist. Very nice, guys. I definitely recommend this one. And again, it does come in multiple colors. And then I also had to get it in this gorgeous olive green. Now this is not the same style as the one I just showed you. It's slightly different, but it's like same style of what I'm talking about. It is this one right here. So it looks like this. It has a one pocket on the left side. I also got this in the size medium. You guys know I am into the olive green. And you could definitely wear this for going out with like some sneakers and a crossbody bag. Very nice and sporty, but you'll look very put together. So I definitely love this. Nice stretch. This is definitely more stretchy than the pink one. But again, it feels the same as the pink one. It's very nice and soft, very buttery. And then here is how the pants look. It looks like this, and it is again a jogger style. So it's cinched in at the bottom, and then it has pockets. Very nice. I just cannot wait to wear this. This is really nice quality. And then the last item that I wanted to show you guys is more of a pop of color. This is super bright, and it is this one right here. So here's the top part. It's like a sweatshirt style shirt. Well, it's more like a sweater. I got this also in the size medium. Again, they do have these in multiple colors, but I got in the yellow. I just wanted something bright, and I really love the color yellow for the summertime. I could definitely wear this on more cooler evenings when I want to wear something super comfortable. This is really nice, very soft. It's not a velour style. It's more like a sweatshirt style. It's fleece lined on the inside, so it does have to be a little bit more cooler to wear it, because if you don't, it's going to be way too hot. But really nice. And then here are the pants. So the pants look like this. Again, it is a jogger style. It has the elastic waist. It has pockets, which I really appreciate whenever they add pockets. I would say it's rather deep pockets. And then it is cinched in right here since it's a jogger style. Just really nice, and it does have this pipe lining that goes all the way down. I feel like that just gives it a little bit more of a dressed up look. So this is definitely nice, very beautiful, with like some sneakers and a crossbody bag. That's how I would wear it, but you can wear it however you want, honestly. But yeah, guys, that is it. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you're still watching, you are not subscribed to my channel, make sure that you click that subscribe button right now. And until next time, remember, God bless. Bye.